To Romans, a sneeze wasn't just a sneeze. It could be a sign from the gods. Many ancient Romans believed sneezing carried spiritual meaning. A sudden sneeze during an important conversation, or before a major decision, was sometimes treated like an omen. Good luck, bad luck, a warning. It all depended on the moment. Some people even responded with blessings or protective phrases, believing the body became vulnerable when sneezing. Others thought sneezes could reveal divine approval.